So welcome back to TNT's Garage. On this week's episode, we are going to be hopefully going through and painting this frame up, getting it kind of prepped, ready for the lift kit. We want it to kind of look better than what it is now. Gonna kind of go through, scuff it up, get the tires off, just get a nice coat of paint on it. Trey again, still asleep, so we'll catch up with him later. So we're starting to paint up the frame. Getting all looking nice. The black paint. Got the tires off. Put it to the side. Yeah. We got to this point. All this fresh paint on here. Once we take this front end apart to do the lift, we'll kind of paint that up a bit better, but for now it'll be good, and then let this dry and hit the lift kit sometime this weekend. Yeah. We're got the frame painted up, it's all dry. We're gonna go through, put the lift kit on. We kind of got it laid out over here in the back. We're going to start from the back and kind of work our way up. Kind of get us a confidence builder. Start from the back and yeah. So we're starting in the back. I'm going to roll under here. Got the socket. We're going to unbolt the shock at the top. Maybe Maybe I should clean my safety glasses. That'd be a concept. There, I'm gonna need a longer extension because I'm trying to get past this exhaust. Wrench on the other side. Here. Wee bit awkward. Here. Out the old. So now that we got the shock off on that side, I'm gonna go through, get this brake line off the diff here. That one. Oh. Just go in there and start. So, got this shock off, so now I'm going to go through, hit these U-bolts. So we got the U-bolts off of here on that side, shock's off, brake line's off. Then we kind of got the U-bolts sent on that side, but yeah, there's just a block that kind of sits down in there. That's what gives you the 6 inches that goes in between the leaf and the axle. Well, we're moving right along with her. Got U-bolts kind of in there. We're going to torque them down to 120 here in a second. Got the new shocks on there. Having a body on here sure makes it easy to get around it and put stuff on it easier. Come back in just a second and put the wheels on. So, as you can see, we got to this point. We kind of got the wheels mocked up on here. You haven't seen them before. This is what they are. They're 24 by 13 38s. We're starting to take these, well, we started to take the torsion bars off. We had to rent this tool from O'Reilly. Kind of got those loose because in the instructions it said to. Came through here, got the brake caliper off of there. Kind of got some of these brake lines unbolted. Can't see because it's on there. The tie rod is undone there, so this is all free out. Yeah, we did that. So we're doing it on this side, and then we go through, hit the other side. So it's just kind of a process. Well, this is where we got to. Got this whole back on. Started going at this front, but it sure is a pain. Takes a while. Had to go get a few new parts and tools because stuff we didn't have, and yeah, we'll hopefully hit it some other time this week. And well, it's a new day. We're gonna take the drive lines out. Yep, got back from school. Dad's not home from work yet, but the only thing that was wrong with this Suburban frame is that the transfer case was stuck in 4 low. So that's kind of the only issue when we bought the Suburban. So we actually when we took the junkyard, we found a transfer case that they had. Just sit in there. Gotta clean it off and clean it up. But we'll film the process of us taking these off. Shouldn't be too hard. We got 4 bolts there. Just slide right out of there. So we got the 4 bolts on the other side done. So now we're just gonna kind of hopefully take this out. Oh, easy money. Hey, it was only a 1 minute. Okay, go hop out of the frame rail and I'll hand it up to you. Take her out. Just these 4 bolts here. Just gonna throw them back into here so then we don't lose them. Perfect. Okay, so on this next one, we got these 4 should be, and there's the 4 more up there by that exhaust pipe, and that one will be undone. So we got these unbolted. It's 4 up here, 4 back here. Now it's ready to be removed. Baby. Maybe not. Take 2. Wolf County. It's free. Oh. Sweet. So we got that done. We're gonna scour the interwebs and get some parts for that front end because 200,000 miles really does a frame in. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.